Hey everybody, it's Amanda from the Hydes to Disney. I've got another box. I'm really excited to open this one up with you on the channel today, and apparently I'm an unboxing channel now. So welcome back. As I said, we are opening a box today. It is from Wishes Candle Company. I'm really excited for this one. I've been trying to find the perfect Disney candle for my collection, and I'm hoping that this is it. The box is really nice. It's very simple, black and white. You know, it says that they're made with natural soy wax, all hand poured, handmade in Rhode Island, which is right around the corner from us. So shout out to Rhode Island. Caution, you're about to be transported to a place of beauty, memories, and smiles. All right. It's a high expectation there, Wishes. Oh, there's fun little goodies in the top. I'm so excited now. Thank you for your Wishes Candle Co. order. Please enjoy these free stickers. So these are the cute little stickers it came with, and I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Do's and don'ts card. Let the hot wax reach both ends of the jar on the first burn. Okay, good to know. Trim your wick as needed. Follow us on Instagram. Put the flame out before removing your prize. That's the fun thing. So the reason why I chose Wishes Candle Co. is because some of their candles, including the one in my lap right now, come with a mystery pin inside of their candles. And literally, what's better than a mystery pin inside of a candle that smells like Disney? Like, there's nothing better. Nicely packaged in here. I'm really excited. I got the scent Shipwrecked, and it's supposed to smell like water rides, I believe. I'm excited. You know, you can tell that it's hand poured, and I think that that's amazing. Like, I'm all about that. Let's just, ooh, there's sparkles in the top. Not a, you know what? And actually, it smells more like Flight of Passage. Hey Mike, come here. Okay, so you remember what smell that I got? Yeah?
You got the water room, right?
So it's supposed to, it's called Shipwrecked. Smell it and tell me the first thing it reminds you of.
I know it, but I can't think of it.
Smell like Flight of Passage?
Oh, yeah.
Or does it also smell like Soarin'?
Soarin', yeah. It has that fruity, tropical smell.
But it's got that watery smell. Oh my gosh. So yeah, it's not quite Pirates. It's more of like a tropical smell. I went into it wanting it to smell like Pirates. It doesn't smell like that kind of water, but it smells really good. I didn't look up reviews of it, clearly. So, now that I've, although the more I smell, the more it just kind of smell like Splash Mountain and that kind of stuff. But let's trim it up and give it a little burn here. There we go. Ouch! Note to self, do not put this on your lap after you've just had it on fire. Okay, it's already burning fantastic. Like, I can see how it's burning on the inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this burn. I'm not really sure where in my house I'm gonna let it burn, but I'm gonna let it burn somewhere in my house and see how the aroma smell is. Up close, it smells like either Flight of Passage or Soarin', but maybe once it, you know, is not just under my nose and it's in the entire room, it'll smell different. So I will come back on in a little bit and tell you the difference. Just kidding, I'm gonna come on right now and tell you the difference. So I just did a little like test. It smells like Pirates. I'm so excited now. Definitely make sure that you burn it rather than just smelling it, because the smell is definitely different. It definitely smells like Pirates now. I think it's a great product. I will have to do a second video when we get down to where the pin is, and I'll show you guys the pin that's inside of my candle here. But for now, I'm just gonna let it burn and pretend like I'm on Pirates. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more information about Witch's Candle Co., their website is down below. And if you want to see more from us, make sure that you are subscribed and you ring the bell and you like this video and you comment, all that kind of fun stuff. Let me know what scent you would want in a candle or a room spray or whatever in your house to make your house smell a little more magical. And with that being said, we will see you in the next one. Bye!